get some video. All right.
Oh, I got it.
Stop. No way. No way.
Pull back on it.
You got it?
Pull back on it. He got it.
Oh man, Dobby was about to tap in. Look at that smile.
It came out.
Oh no! I got that on camera. All right. So we're doing the valve springs on this cammed out LS2. LS2?
That's LS1.
LS1?
Yeah, it's
with
LS1.
Cook's headers. Elvin's trying to find the hole. He's always having a hard time trying to find the hole, spark plug hole. He's putting the hose in there. So we're gonna charge it up with some compressed air so that we can drop the valves or drop the springs and the valves don't go into the chamber. So.
Maybe we put some.
Okay. Charge it up.
There we go. Keep going down this slug. Well, there you go. Okay, that's good.
Nice. Magnet.
Where's our handy dandy magnet? Melvin, we're not. There he goes.
I'm really surprised, yeah. Good.
Maybe not, I don't know.
Keep going.
Nice. Nice. Dang.
Skis.
Nice. Okay.
No, not on the oiliest part on there. Put your seat on. Okay, now we need a valve seal. Just itching to grab that hammer.
He loves it. That's Alvin's favorite tool. Look at him. The grip on that.
Yeah, he's choking up on
It's a
it.
ferocious grip, Alvin.
He's choking up for control.
Tap it until the sound changes. That's a different sound.
Not yet.
No, not yet. There, that's the sound.
That's the sound. Give it a good tap. There you go. That's good. Spring.
Spring in. Flat end down, right? Is that what you're doing?
Top.
Yeah, remember, like I said, it really doesn't. It really doesn't matter. But the flat end, like if you have it blatantly flat, it goes on.
Oh, these
Yeah.
two sides are different.
Yeah,
Yeah, that one goes in the
bottom.
hole.
Yeah, match the ones that I did. You got it.
Look centered, right, John?
Yeah, it's good. Just go for it. We're not gonna go as deep as we did the first few times.
She said.
No.
Keep going. Keep going. It's fine. Let her go. That's good. Right. A little bit. There you go. That's fine. Spoon feeding retaining clips.
Doesn't look like it's
Let me see.
grabbing.
Let me see.
Think it needs to come down a little more?
I think you need to put it in from the bottom. And then rotate up. There you go. Now push it and rotate in. But yeah, you can go. You can actually run the whole thing down a little bit.
Well, think about it.
We'll try it out. See if we can get the other one in there.
Oh,
Elvin!
no.
Here, no, we'll get it in a minute.
I
Here.
heard it.
The viewers just heard that in 4K.
We're gonna have to. They heard it in 4K. Can you edit that out, please?
No, I'm gonna actually amplify the sound from that section so you hear it. Ding, 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 ding.
And then I'll put it on loop.
Yeah. I'm gonna do that.
There you go. Now let her out. Slowly. Keep your fingers over it so you don't shoot one across the room.
I think the camera could pick up that sound though.
Like a rake shake.
Ding, 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 ding. My eye! Alright, nice.
Alright, good job.
So just do that.
Done skis.
Let's see, we got 3 done.
Yeah.
6.
I think the hardest
do
part
that
is getting the
13 more times.
Yeah.
Alright, we got all the springs in. Then we're doing the rocker arms.
2 hours later.
2 hours later.
Because Elvin.
I mean, but just look at the side though.
Hey, so much better.
Wow, yeah, that side's so much better than this side. Wow.
This side's been passed around. First class down. I've only found like there's only like 2 of these that always stay up. One on each side.
So this one we have to make sure we rotate the engine and then retorque it or what?
Well, we'll just go back over all of them, but yeah. You see how it's pushing that one spring down?
Yep. Gosh.
Watch your hand.
Let's see if we can see it. It's hard to get. Yeah, that one's way compressed compared to the others.
But you see, watch that rocker arm. It's going to turn in a second.
When it straightens up?
Yeah, it's going to try to. Oh, no, it's still a little
did.
crooked. No, it's a little crooked. When we turn that motor over, we'll make sure we check it. It's going to need to be torqued though.
Okay. That was really not that bad.